Welcome. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to play Minecraft Story Mode in 2024. To embark on this adventure, you'll first need to acquire the game. Minecraft Story Mode is accessible on various platforms, including PCs, mobile devices, and consoles. Ensure you purchase the Adventure Pass to unlock all the captivating episodes this interactive story offers. Once you've obtained the game, the next step is installation. Each device's operating system has specific instructions, so carefully follow those to ensure a smooth setup. With the game installed, you're ready to dive into the world of Minecraft Story Mode. Begin by crafting your own unique character, customizing their appearance to match your vision. As you progress through the immersive narrative, you'll encounter objectives to complete and pivotal choices to make. These choices directly impact the story's trajectory, shaping the fate of your character and the world around them. The heart of Minecraft Story Mode lies in the thrill of the adventure. Immerse yourself in diverse environments, from bustling towns to eerie mines, each teeming with secrets to uncover. Along the way, you'll interact with intriguing non-player characters, NPCs, some friendly and others shrouded in mystery. Throughout your journey, remember to savor the experience. Minecraft Story Mode weaves a captivating narrative filled with memorable characters, heartwarming friendships, and formidable alliances. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.